getting into another project. We got the little 250 Trailblazer. That sucker is up, ready to go. It's up for sale. It's got lights on it, everything, all shiny. Woo! So all sorts of fun little machine. Now we're gonna grab another one. We're gonna grab another one, get it in here, diagnose it, work on it, see what's going wrong with it. So let's go get it. Yeah, we should clear that. Come on, little girl. This way. Well, it's our new project. So, don't know much about it. No, it did run, and it needs to run. So let's get it in the shop, and let's get to work. Yee! Now, let's see what we got. We popped the seat off. Oh, that doesn't look fun. See, that's a, yeah, that isn't working correctly right there. So, I think we should probably start by popping the air box, maybe unscrewing the top cap of the carb and seeing what's going on. Woo! So we'll probably clean this carburetor out. Put some fresh gas in it. So we're gonna crack this little guy apart and start cleaning it out. All right, we're gonna pop this sucker open. Let's see what she looks like inside. Ooh, it's chunky down in there. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and clean that out. Look at some chunky chunk down in that bunk and all this. Nasty. So hopefully this thing will take a good carb clean. Put some fresh gas. Look at all that gel in there. Put some fresh gas in her. It should be good to go.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Alright, so we cleaned the carburetor, we drained the system, cleaned the gas tank, cleared the lines, went ahead and cleaned off the spark plug, cleared all that up too, because that was really just scummy. And we'll put the airbox back on it, see if she runs real nice. But I'm going to check the oil first. You always want to check your fluids. So we cleaned up that. Okay. So, threw the carburetor back in, cleaned that up. Replaced a couple of the vacuum lines. Tuned it just slightly, but let's go on a test drive. Let's go on a test drive and see if it works, this and that. There, that seems like a pretty good idle. You know, I never checked. Oh, I guess lights do work. Ooh, not without a battery. Haha. Probably run a lot better with a battery in her. Okay, Honda, so button in, brake, down. Yep, we got reverse. Some mud over here. Let's just kick it slow school. think for sure she'll probably run a lot better with a battery in her. Woo. Yeah, but without a battery, this thing, you know, if it has a battery, it'd have hold better. But she starts, she runs. Got one, the carb clean. Carb's cleaned out. Everything should be good. I'll show them where the adjustment on your carb right here for your idle is right down there. It's on this little screw right here. So, not very hard to find. So we got the little Handa Recon running. Thank you guys for watching Flippin' Mike. Until the next video, stay classy, YouTube. Yee yee!